I'm a man. I'm a man in this world who needs more women. Women who are willingly to bravely share their message and their stories to inspire and to empower the other women. Women who are desperately seeking a message of heal and hope. I was born from her and I thank her for protecting me, feeding me and for wiping my tears. I thank her for being a supporter in my life.
I thank her for encouraging me by forgetting her own dreams. As a mother, she relentlessly toils, playing psychiatrist, doctor, maid and confidant to the children. She is soft, you will feel to comfort her and keep her away from harm. But in a crisis, she is the one who will support you and give you strength. It's the duality of her personality, her varied capabilities, which make you want to bow before her in wonder.
She is worthy of being treated like a goddess and no less. I am a man, and I believe that behind every successful man out there, there is a woman. Yes, it can be a mother, a friend, a daughter, or perhaps even a sister. And I would like to take this opportunity and thank every one of them for everything. No man is ever complete without.
March 8 marks International Women's Day, which provides a chance to reflect on the struggle for the greater gender equality. I am a woman, and I am not going to talk about feminism on International Women's Day. Why? Because feminism nowadays is treated as men-hating, is explained as men-hating, but stop. No, feminism does not mean men-hating. Let me emphasize that celebrating Women's Day is actually a tribute to women's contribution and not for men hatred. Bringing women empowerment, bringing gender equality are in the hands of men and a woman. And a man is putting his efforts equally. Focus. Female has a male in it, and SHE, she, has he in it. So we can't move alone, we can't hate men, we both are complementary, we both are equal.
Your support will help us to reach our destination a little early.
Afternoon everyone, I am Nikita Salaria from BTech CSE 4th Sem. Today I am going to talk on a very sensitive issue, which is of course considered not so sensitive. Men. Today I am going to talk about those feelings that go unheard, unattended quite oftenly in our so-called caring society. If they shed tears, we are like, OMG, is he even a man? If they don't, then we are like, oh, what a pathetic and a stone-hearted man he is. I have seen strong men crying. I have seen weak men being strong and standing for their families. I have seen my father doing both. I have seen my brother doing both. Not all men are same, and we should break the stereotype as the growing society. And at the end, I would like to say that if we as the women ask the society to be non-partial and to consider us equally strong as men, then we should allow men to feel equally about their feelings, emotions and themselves. That's that. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mayank Kumar, doing my PhD in English Literature from MIT University, Rajasthan. Today, I am here to share my views on women. First of all, I wish all the beautiful women listening to this speech a happy International Women's Day. As we all know that this day is celebrated on 8th March every year. This day highlights the women's achievements and gender equality.
Supporting feminism is men-hating. Indeed, a big no. Many people believe that feminists are the ones who want to control the world and put men down. They are perceived by a large number of people who refuse to cooperate with menfolk out of sheer hatred. To be precise, what feminism means is to impart the notion regarding the equal rights and opportunities of women and men respectively.